Green Soul Beast Racing Edition Ergonomic Gaming Chair is a premium choice for gamers and professionals who spend long hours at their desk. Here's a detailed review. Price $15,699. Buy here, link in description. Subscribe to my channel. Ergonomic design. The chair is designed to provide maximum comfort during extended gaming or working sessions. It includes adjustable neck and lumbar pillows to support your spine and posture, reducing the risk of strain or discomfort. Material quality. The combination of premium fabric and PU leather ensures durability and breathability. The fabric allows for better airflow, keeping you cool during long sessions, while the PU leather adds a sleek, stylish look. 3D adjustable armrests. The 3D adjustable armrests allow for complete customization, helping you find the perfect position for your arms while gaming or working. You can adjust them in height, depth, and angle, which is great for personalized comfort. Sturdy build. The strong nylon base provides excellent stability and durability. Paired with smooth rolling casters, the chair offers good mobility and balance on various floor surfaces. Racing Edition look. The full black design gives the chair a sleek, modern, and professional look, making it suitable for gaming setups as well as office environments. Adjustability. The chair's reclining mechanism allows you to lean back comfortably at different angles, making it perfect for both intense gaming and relaxation. It also features a tilt-locking mechanism. Price. At ₹15,699, this gaming chair offers excellent value for its ergonomic features, durable build, and premium materials. You can purchase